Hi, Chef Mike Pancia here, and today we're going to make excellent French fries. Initially, I was tempted to say that we were going to make the best French fries and title my video Best French Fries. That's my duck Pee-wee playing with his squeeze toy. If it keeps up, we'll have to do something about it. At any rate, there's a few things I want to mention about the French fries that we're going to make. The objective is to create... Pee-wee, can you hold it down a minute, please? I'm trying to talk to the people here. Thank you. And the objective is to create a crispy golden outside of each potato piece and a soft, perfectly cooked, fluffy interior of each piece of a French fry. Now, a couple of ways we do that. The first thing is by cutting it to the right size. And by experimentation, I have found that the correct size for a French fry is a 3/8 of an inch square cross section. Any larger and the inside may not cook enough to be fluffy. Any smaller and the crispiness can migrate into the interior of the potato and make it all too crispy. The other thing, Pee-wee, please. The other thing we do is we soak the cut strips of French fries in water, particularly ice water, and that washes away some of the starches which make the potato too soft and prevent it from crisping up properly. One more thing I do to guarantee that the interior is cooked properly and fluffy is before I actually deep fry the French fries, I microwave them for about 3 minutes at full power. And what that does is it dries the exterior of the potato so it can crisp better, and it makes sure that when the outside is crispy brown, the interior is fluffy and properly cooked. So let's get on with it, and let me show you what I do to make what I think of as the best French fries. I'm not going to say it's the best though, because I haven't tried every other one in the world. There may be some that are better. I haven't seen them yet, but could happen. It could happen. So instead I'll say I'm going to make a very, very good French fried potato. I hope you'll do the same. We'll start by peeling our potatoes. Now, I know you'll see other recipes and other videos that tell you you don't have to, and you really don't have to, but I find they crisp up better if you peel them first. Next is the size. You want to cut them about 3/8 of an inch thick. I find that that's the best compromise to get the inside fluffy and the outside crispy. Then you'll need a bowl of ice water. You put your sliced potatoes into the ice water. Let them stay for about an hour. Once you're done with the hour, dry them off in a kitchen towel. Place them in a single layer on a microwave-proof plate. Microwave them for about 3 minutes, and then use your spider or your slotted spoon to carefully put them into the hot oil. Once they're a golden brown, you can take them and use my mom's trick, which is to drain them in a brown paper bag. Works real well. Salt them when they're still hot, and you'll be good. There you have it, the way to make an excellent French fried potato. Something at once unique and classical at the same time. Amazing stuff. If you do it, you follow my directions, you're going to make something beautiful and you're going to enjoy it. I hope you will. Speaking of my hopes, I hope you will remember to share this video with any friends you have that are interested in cooking and food and videos and things of that nature. Share it. Make sure you subscribe. Encourage them to subscribe, and you'll be my friend. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.